Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back again to another video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a simple batch file that automatically backs up important files onto a USB. No software needed. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you are stopping by for the first time, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Now let's get started. So to automatically back up your important files onto a USB, you're going to write a script in Notepad, okay? So to get started, we're going to open the Notepad by clicking on the search, and then we type Notepad, okay? So we are going to click on the Notepad, and then this is where we are going to write our script, okay? So we are going to type at echo of, and then bring the column first, set source and destination. So you're going to set the source and the destination of the files you want to back up, okay? So we are going to type set source equals, so the source is where you are backing the files from, okay? So you can back up your documents, your download, and any important files you have, okay? The source. In my case, I'm going to back up my documents, so I'm going to copy the location by clicking on the File Explorer. Then I'll right click on the document, then I'll go to properties, then I'll go to location, then I'll right click on the C, okay, that's the location. So I'm going to click on OK, and then I'll close the File Explorer, then I'll paste the location here, okay? So after that, I'm going to bring my quote, and then I'll bring the quote here as well. So we are going to set the destination as well. So I'm going to type set destination, okay? So equals, so the destination is the USB you are backing the files to, okay? So my USB is drive E. So let me show you quickly, and then we go back to the script. So you see it's labeled drive E. So let me close the File Explorer. So I'm going to bring my quote and then drive E column backslash and then backup, okay? And then I'll bring my quote. So we are going to bring two columns and then create the destination folder if it doesn't exist, okay? So we are going to create the destination folder name backup if you don't have backup folder on the USB, okay? So you can choose to create a folder name backup on a USB. Otherwise, you can create a destination folder in the process of backing up, okay? So we are going to type this command. So if not exist, okay, then we bring the destination by bringing the percentage sign, percentage space, then make directory, okay, space percentage destination, and then we close with percentage, and then we move to the next line. So we are going to use S copy, okay? So copy files using S copy, okay? So we are going to use S copy to copy the files, okay? So we are going to type the command S copy percentage source, percentage close, percentage destination, percentage close, and then space /e space /h space /c space /y, okay? Then we type echo backup completed successfully. Then we type pause. Okay, so after we've typed the script, I'm going to leave the script at the description below, okay? So you can also try your hands and leave your comment at the comment section, okay, whether it works or not. So we are going to save the file as a batch file, okay? So I'm going to click on the file, then I'll click on save as, then I'll choose the location destination, I'm going to go with the desktop. So I'm going to save the file as backup, okay, .bat, okay, so make the file a batch file, okay. Then I'll click on save. So I'm going to close the text editor, the notepad, and then this is the batch file we've created, okay. This is the batch file we just created, okay. So the moment I double click on the batch file or the backup file I have here, it's going to back up my documents onto the USB drive, okay. So before then, let me open my USB drive to be sure that I don't have anything in the USB drive. So let me show you quickly. Okay, my USB drive is empty, okay, this folder is empty. So now we are going to back up the documents onto the USB drive by clicking on the batch file. So let me quickly double click on that, and then let's see what happens, okay. So now you see it's backing up everything from the documents to the USB. So I didn't create the folder in the USB, okay. During the process of the script, it has created a folder in the USB named backup. So it's backing up everything on the document to the folder on the USB, okay. So let's wait for it. It's still backing up my files onto the USB. Okay, I also have the virtual machine files in the document, okay, so it's backing that one as well, okay. Okay, so in the process of backing up, if you don't have enough disk space, you can quickly change your USB drive and then you type return to continue, okay. So let me close this because I don't have enough space on my USB. So let me close this and then I'll show you the destination folder, okay. So let me click on the file explorer, then I'll go to this PC, and then now you see it has created a folder on the USB called backup, okay. So let me open the folder, and then you see these are my files on the documents, sorry. These are my files on the documents, okay. So this is the one on the USB drive. So let me open my document and show you. So let me click my document, okay. So the same files I have here. So let me go back again to my USB, and then I'll view large icons, click on view large icons. So you see these are the files I have in the USB, okay. So this brings us to the end of the tutorial. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.